Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to mute all notifications on the Reminders application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Reminders, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the Reminders application. Enter to open that up. So let's just say we have a couple of reminders. I'll quickly create a few. Let's just say one. The date will be for tomorrow. Let's create another. Let's just say number 2. Date for tomorrow also. So these are scheduled reminders. And we will be receiving notifications, let's just say 5 minutes before them being completed, just to remind us that this is what we need to do now. Let's just say we have to upload a video, do our grocery shopping, or whatever. You will receive that reminder on your phone, your tablet, your computer, as long as iCloud is on, everything is synchronized, your Wi-Fi, your data is all on. If it's closed, you will not be receiving these reminders as everything is in sync. So let's now go to the top toolbar, click on Reminders, Preferences, Mute Notifications, and now you will not be receiving any notifications from the Reminders application as we have turned this off. From Preferences, if we tick or untick, we will receive notifications, but in this tutorial, assigned reminders, we have muted all the notifications, so we can now, let's just quit preferences, quit reminders. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.